Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer crypto from Bitvavo to another wallet. And this is quite simple. First of all, we go to withdrawal and then we go to crypto. First of all, make sure that you enable the withdrawal with your crypto, because if you don't enable this one, please check out my other video where I will explain you exactly how to do this. Then from now, select the thing that you want to transfer. So let's say we want to transfer 306 Dodge. Then right now it's not possible to withdraw Dodge at this moment. So sometimes it's not possible to withdraw. If we go back and click on Bitcoin, then we are possible to withdraw this. Now also keep in mind, Bitvavo never asks customer to make withdrawals, share login details or download software. So right now I acknowledge the risk associated with crypto withdrawals and then we do continue. Then right now we want to do add new Bitcoin address because I don't have any addresses on my account. Then from now select Bitcoin and then right now select the new Bitcoin address where you want to send it to. So let's say we want to send it to Trust. Then from now click here on Trust Wallet and then right now you need to scan this icon with your phone. Then after scanning this with your phone, you located a new address to withdraw, and then after this you can select your Trust account and withdraw the Bitcoin amount to that Trust account. So this is exactly how you withdraw crypto from your wallet to another wallet. Hopefully this video helped you out, and then from now, thanks for watching.